When you embark on brand research, the question or questions you're looking to answer should be clear in your mind. So are you looking to validate something you think you already know? Are you looking for a new opportunity? Or are you testing a hypothesis? All branding today should be rooted in customer insight. Without insight, you won't be able to tell personal and compelling storytelling. Because here's the thing, analytics alone don't actually influence others. Data points are transactional. People don't remember them and they're not moved by them. Powerful stories can influence others in a way that no amount of data ever can. And every good story has a beginning, a middle, and an end, and throughout it should be evidenced by data. However, not everyone will respond to the stories in the same way, and not everybody will interpret the stories or want to listen to the stories that are the same as others. So being able to use insights to tailor your stories to different audiences is just as important as being able to tell them at all.